Okay, working on this today. It's quite a very unusual piece that came from a special place. A scrap, actually, a couple of years ago. You've seen me probably using it, I don't know. But I added down here several relay systems and boosters. Okay, 1 and 2. On the bottom in the middle there is a U.S. Navy signal generator. IF frequencies, low frequencies that can interchange with this fellow, which I found out. And you're wondering what it is. Oh, well, okay. That I put on top today along with the antenna. That is a RF amplifier from 20 to 500 megacycles, 30 watts output. Okay, goes to the antenna, which matches the frequencies, and I could add an antenna tuner that I have. We'll see. Took the vacuum to it, had it out, opened the back door of it, the rack cabinet. Let's look at some of this stuff here. Hard to tell, this old iPad is not working that well. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, about 20, 40, 50, 20, yeah, so about 100 channels. Control system down here. As you can see, it's a multiple frequency signal generator. Actually pretty strong. Output's main switch. Output. Input. You can add audio or microphone and all that stuff if you want to. Output is 75 ohm. The little knobs there on and off, so you can turn each module on and off. Also has a control, attenuation control for field strength, RF output, and I believe external modulation too. As I said before, and a microphone. Matrix Test Equipment Incorporated. I gotta check that out tonight again. Power. Attenuators. So now you could have a small low power FM station if you want. It puts out a hell of a whopping, on its own that is, amount of RF. But this will boost it up to 30 to 40, 50 watts. It covers all the frequencies that this guy puts out. It was at an auction, and it wasn't labeled properly. It was in rack cabinets. That's all it said. Oh, wow. Hell of a good score. I got a number of these guys for RF MC6474. I got a number of these RF amplifiers. So I worked on that today. Checked it out. Works just fine. The fan and everything works. I might put it next to it an antenna tuner. I'm getting a lot of them in. It's big units. We'll see. And over in this section is RF generators. And over here is, that's an RF amplifier. Signal generator. Type of signal generator. Really cool stuff. A receiver. And some more power supplies down here. Power supply, power supply, power supply. What do we got here? This one here is an oddball. Can't quite read that. What's this, iPad? But oh, digital stuff. Oh, that'd be funny. Yeah. So. What's this? Oh no. What's this? A faceplate off something? But yeah, this will be fun. I had a lot of fun with it already. And broadcasting around the lot. But with the added features, 1, 2, 3, 4, which I added. 5, including antenna. That'll be awesome. That's what I'm doing today. Did that, cleaned it out, took the vacuum to it. Got dusty inside a little bit. The other transmitters are over here. Let's take a look around here. Ooh, juicy fat transformers and big valves. Got a couple of these already, so that's for low frequency stuff. The rotating coil system, inductors, toroidal coil moments. Not moments. Toroidal coil moment. No. This is another transmitter down there. Thinking of making this a control panel. Getting there. It's a long process, you know. Got space there, space underneath in there. Could cut this off. I wonder if I can. I don't want to compromise the integrity of the structure of it, so moving around here because I'm moving out now. I've gone to another project that took an hour, a couple hours. I'm gonna look at these transmitters here. Antenna tuners. Big fat military thing. Receiver. This is one of a kind. A prototype. Extremely heavy too. Radio receiver. So it's right now at 19 to 34 megahertz. Band switch. Where to go? Yeah, it is a receiver. Extremely well built. Very heavy. That's another receiver. Helicopters SX-28. MC. Okay. Calibration. Serial number 1. Already put it across to some forums. They say it's the only one they know of in existence. And what do we have down here? We got some other stuff here, of course, and on and on and all over there. So this came from Bob Greener's friend Alan. Beautiful piece as well, and then all over the place here, different stuff. Okay, so that's that for today, and then I'm going to work on that RF amplifier and finish that off. And also we can see over there other things and other racks. Haha, yes sir! Power amplifiers. So this is a little corner, I call it. There's that antenna up there. Another antenna over there. Alrighty. And of course, everything over there and everywhere. So getting a few more pallets in, of course. That'll always be ongoing. Gonna get this stuff all arranged. Klystron energy. Yes, that'll be fun. Just don't cook yourself. I'm telling myself. The Klystrons are cool too. We have more transmitters. In that case, it's something from the Apollo project from the 60s. 12 of them only made. It's a radio receiver or synthesizer. And then down the bottom is usually spare parts. Is an antenna tuner. Let's see. Okay. There's a display of the cameras in this building and outside. Still got all this stuff to organize. But it's not an impossible task. It's fun. HOCS Columbia X-Files.com Endgame. That's where that cabinet came out of. Still got a just tag on it. Freebie, of course. I'll sit down for a minute. Collins R390s. I got a bunch of these, of course. 15 of them or something. These guys are cool. These old Magic Eye receivers. There's a RAK7, another old timer. This is a converter for R390s. It's a nice unit. Single sideband conversion. VHF receiver. This is a special spook radio, as it's named. Got a couple of those. Watkin and Johnson's DU and receiver. A lot of fun with that. And there's the antenna for it for now. Oh, there's a aircraft R390 type thing. Okay. Oh, that guy down there. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. This transmission station and... Oh, it's good exercise. These things are heavy, you know. I got to move that one down the floor there. I don't like units on the floor. They should be up high. How many am I getting in? 10 pieces? Some big stuff like that one. Another one of those antenna tuners, one of those antenna tuners. They're very useful for my purpose anyway. What do you want antenna tuners for, Sean? You know. Oh, well, you need them. Definitely need them. There's some modern stuff here. It does work. You've seen this on Discovery Channel. It's one of my main monitors. Oh well. This is, and there's another room full of stuff. And 2 cargo containers full of stuff. Maybe I'm insane, but I love being insane this way, so, well, anyway. So I can go from extremely low frequency through VHF, HF, VHF, all the way up to the super high frequency stuff. These are amazing receivers and transmitters. I got a bunch of them. And behind me is what? Oh my goodness, we got more goodies. And there we go. Klystron power supply. So I'm getting pretty well all set here, huh? Ooh, waddle puss. Let's see, what have we got down here? A lot of goodies. Okay, if I unplug this, will it go off? I don't know. It's going to end the video anyway sometime. I unplugged this, so I got to sort this stuff out. So everything's pushed back in here. The shipment's coming in. Gotta make room for the pallets. Manual on the floor. So I'm organizing this a bit too. Those are in wait for things to fit into them, which are coming, I believe. Look at all this stuff here, this section. Gonna work out okay, I believe. Oh, there you have it. Hasn't gone off yet. Monitoring station down here. Oh. You've seen me work that too, haven't you? Monitoring station over here. Over here and more over here kind of thing. Okay, well, okay. Then we got a radar. Keep you on my radar, and then I'm a busy hobbit. Very busy hobbit. So I'm going to just do it all. What the hell? Turn this on. You see me do that.